Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
8 tips to help your baby remember things. Your baby's brain contains billions of neurons at birth, and in the first few years, this number grows to 1 trillion. The brain cells start connecting to each other, which is important because they aren't of any use until they are wired to each other. Brain cells that are not connected during birth need to be stimulated in order to establish a connection. In simple words, when the brain is used, brain cells connect, and the result is improved memory. Try out these tips to stimulate your baby's brain and improve his memory. Number 1. Talk to your baby. Having a meaningful conversation with your baby makes him feel happy. Respond to your infant's coos with delighted vocalizations or parent tease. Number 2. Play games. Playing games that involve hands makes the baby look at your facial expressions and hands and notice your words. This motivates his brain to form connections internally. One of the most effective ways to do this is via flashcards. These will not only stimulate your baby, they will also help him learn to read. Number 3. Choose healthy food. Even before your baby is born, give him a physically healthy start with good nourishment. Be aware of which foods are good brain foods. Number 4. Stroking. Stroking your baby's tummy and hair is very important for his brain growth. Number 5. Choose toys which stimulate your baby's brain. Developmentally appropriate toys allow your baby to explore and interact. Some toys help him build the if-then reasoning. This means that if your baby is able to stack one block over another one, he understands the connection or reason between them. If he is unable to stack them, even then, he starts connecting the dots as to why the blocks are falling. Number 6. Positively responding to your baby's cries. When your baby cries, it is important that you immediately cuddle, nurture and reassure him. This helps build positive brain circuitry in the limbic area of the brain, which relates to emotions. This act of love and your day-to-day intimate engagement with your baby signals emotional security to his brain, which helps him develop efficiently. Number 7. Sing songs. While singing songs to your baby, your body and hand movements help him integrate the sounds with small and large actions. Songs enhance your child's learning patterns. Number 8. Provide complete emotional support. It is very important for you to match and adjust with your baby's temperament and accept him with love and warmth. Providing comfort will help your child learn freely and will enhance memory. Each child needs complete attention, love, and care throughout childhood, especially during the first 3 years of birth. This is when the key milestones in all development areas, including memory, are formed. Love, that's all your baby really needs to develop a sharp memory.